A paper company sells packages containing 1,444 sheets of paper. How many sheets of paper are in 256 packages? So we're going to have 256 packages where there's 1,444 sheets in each. This is multiplication. So we're going to multiply 1,444 times 256. Now I'm going to set this up the way I always do and do 1, 4, 4, 4 on top, and 256 on the bottom. Always put your larger number on top. It's just easier that way. Now we are multiplying a 4-digit number to a 3-digit number. Start out with your number on the bottom and go to the number in the ones place value. Multiply that to every number up here going right to left and knowing you're probably going to have to carry over. So 6 times 4 is 24. Write out 4, carry over a 2. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. Write out a 6, carry over a 2. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. Write out a 6, carry over a 2. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Write out your 8, and we're done with this row. Let me cross out the 2's because I'm going to repeat the process with 5, and I don't want to accidentally use these numbers again. So now we go to our number in the tens place value. You're going to automatically place a 0 in the ones place value whenever you do that and before you begin. So repeat the process. 5 times 4 is 20. Write out a 0, carry over a 2. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. Write out your 2, carry over a 2. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 22 is 22. So write out your 2, carry over a 2. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Write out your 7, and you're done with that row. Let's get rid of these numbers so I don't accidentally reuse those because we're going to do this one more time. When we move to our hundreds place value, you're going to attach 2 zeros all the way to the right before you begin. Now you take that 2, multiply them to everything going from right to left. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times 1 is 2. Now we're going to take these 3 numbers and add them all up. 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Write out a 6, carry over a 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 8 is 19. Write out your 9, carry over a 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Write out your 6, carry over a 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now we go from the right to the left, put out your commas, and we end up with 369,664. Now this is a word problem, so this has to do with sheets of paper. So we're going to say 369,664 sheets of paper. And that is your answer.